I'll be going through the answers quickly, so make sure your course book is open in front of you, and please stop and rewind the video as you need to. So, got your book open in front of you? Are your answers in capitals? Want to know why the answers are the answers? Then let's go. For question number 1, the answer we choose has got to collocate with the preposition with. But there are a few answers that can collocate with the preposition with, so that preposition doesn't really help us much. But what does help us is the context. The context is that we're talking about connecting two places. Now, if we think about the vocabulary meaning, suddenly that narrows down the answers a lot further. What's the answer? Linking. For question number 2, this is pure vocabulary. Whenever we talk about getting to the highest point, we always refer to reaching that point, whether it's reaching the summit, reaching the top of the hill, reaching the highest achievement, whatever it might be, it's going to be reaching. For question number 3, we have to choose the correct piece of vocabulary to complete the expression, which basically means that you're not going to meet many people there for various different reasons, mainly because it's inhospitable and you wouldn't want to live there. So what is that word that completes the expression? Signs. Few signs of human life. For question number 4, once again, we've got to complete an expression. We've got to choose the correct vocabulary to finish off months on what? The idea here is that it's communicating the idea of taking a very, very long time. Well, the answer is end. It's take months on end. For question number 5, the context behind this suggests that the line didn't open all at once, but it opened in parts. But we're talking about a railway line, so which is the correct quantifier here? Well, the answer is sections. The line opened in sections. For question number 6, let's have a look at the preposition after the gap, which is in. If we have a look at all of the answers, we can see that only one of the answers actually collocates with that preposition, and that is to be buried in something, which contextually makes the most sense as well. For question number 7, the context is such as that we're talking about the ability to get to a certain place. And that might be difficult to get to that place because of various different conditions. Here in the article it rather suggests that weather conditions would stop you from getting to that place. But here we've got to choose an answer that collocates with access. So which of the answers collocates with access to give us that meaning? And the answer is gain, to gain access to something. For question number 8, we have to choose a piece of vocabulary which means that snow is ever present throughout the year. So it is a what of weather. It's a feature of weather, which is why the answer is feature.